It reflects also on local prioritization program. Merong process yan eh. Merong Barangay Development Council, merong Municipal Development Council, merong RDC, merong tinatawag na Northern Park Corridor, gano'n, mga development. Pero pag hindi yung sinunod ng politiko, dahilan merong small committee, masisira lahat ng plano. So we are just shooting at the dark as if there's a shotgun approach. Ang daming putok ng shotgun pero walang tama. Marami lang bulitas pero walang tama. So we should have a rifle approach. What are these rifle approach na sinasabi? Build, build, build. Panahon ni President Duterte. Sorsogon, meron mga coastal road, Northern Park. Dati, pag pupunta tayo ng Bagyo, tagal natin dumating, pero ngayon madali na. So, simple lang yung kanyang program. Drug addiction. Inupakan niya yung mga generals, yung mga gobernador. So, hindi shotgun yung kanya. 3 or 4 projects, pero may tama. Because you must remember, the President has only 6 years. For us councilors, we have only 3 years. Now, under the present administration, tapos na yung 3 taon. Next year, 4th year na. What have we done? Were we able to increase the income of our people? So yun yung mga tanong. So we just leave it as it is.